Giving credit. If you use anything that is created by someone else, you must tell who created it, or else you have violated copyright or Creative Commons law. So our guy over here on the right-hand side, he's doing the right thing. He tells exactly where he got his information. If you use something that does not have a Creative Commons license, that means that it has a copyright. Most stuff is going to have a copyright, and that means that you can only use the following amounts. If you use a video, you're limited to 1/10 of the video, or 3 minutes, whichever is less. If you're using information from a website or a book, you're limited to 1/10 of the author's words, or 1,000 words, whichever is less. If you're using music, say if you're creating a YouTube video and using somebody else's music, you are limited to 1/10 of the song or 30 seconds, whichever is less. You probably recognize this little C in the circle. That means copyright. So if you ever see that on anything, it means that it has a copyright. But just because you don't see that symbol, you should always assume that everything has a copyright if you don't know. If you use something that has a Creative Commons license, that means that you can use the entire thing. So entire video, entire website, entire book, entire song. However, some Creative Commons licenses have symbols that tell you what you are not allowed to do with the work. They are NC, which stands for non-commercial. The source cannot be used for money-making purposes, so no money-making over here. CC followed by ND means no derivatives. It means that you can't change the source, such as using a photo editor to change a picture. So you have to use it exactly as the author created it. CC followed by SA, which is share alike. This means that the source can be changed. However, you must share your work with the same Creative Commons license as the original creator, meaning that you can't copyright it for yourself. If they do allow you to sell it, if they do allow you to change it, you have to share it under the same exact license. And that's pretty much it as far as our copyright and Creative Commons law.